What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the most underrated Scratch projects. Now you might think this is going to be some stupid trash game, but it's this game. Balloon City 6, and guess what? It only has 15 views. Bruh. I mean, literally, look at this. Bruh, my brain is about to explode on how good this is. Wait. There's even... Oh my god. Bro! Wait, what? Wait. Let me just get like a bomb tower. Oh, Blair's intersecting right there. They have the even animations? Huh? That's so cool. Bro, this guy's so underrated. I'm literally having emotional damage. What? You even have abilities. Can you upgrade? I want to see if you can upgrade. Oh wait, I don't think you can upgrade, can you? This is literally better than most Bloons games. Well, that was it for number 1. Let's check out number 2. Now if we got this amazing clicker game. And me personally, I think this is underrated with only 203 views. Bro, I'm gonna have to undergo brain surgery by how underrated these projects are. They are amazing. And how did somebody even get this high score? Jeez, this game is pretty cool. You can see all the stylish effects he made too. That was it for number 2. Let's look at our final one. How can projects like this constantly get underrated? It's literally 3D cookie clicker. As you can see, he gained score. They actually have a custom score counter, and they have cool UI designs. And a smooth drop sliding. You have upgrades, cool effects when you can't afford the. I have to undergo emotional damage surgery, bruh. This game is amazing, and I totally think that you should find more underrated projects and comment them, bruh. Oh my god, this game is amazing. Oh, I'm going up in cookies. Maybe. Okay. So, I'm about to upgrade. Bro, they have an upgrade of... How can games like this constantly get underrated over and over again? I think you should subscribe and like to the video. I love this project because it's fun. Hope you like the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.